In this class, we'll learn how to assemble a skateboard in SOLIDWORKS 2010, applying simple techniques for adding agility in designing assemblies. Well, let's get started. After opening the assembly file, click Browse on the part assembly to insert flyout. First, place the wheel to facilitate the skateboard assembly. Then click Wheel and then select the Open option. The preview is displayed, and then move it in the graphic area, but don't click it. If the preview is not shown, click Graphic Preview. Confirm the insertion command. Notice how when we try to move it, SOLIDWORKS informs us the part is fastened. Great! We have inserted the reference part. Now, let's insert the bearings. Click Insert and Component, then Existing Part Assembly. Select Browser and then click the bearing part. Click Open and in the graphic area to position it. Now let's constrain the bearings and the wheel. Select the internal cylindrical face of the wheel and the external cylindrical face of the bearing to align the two centers. See how SOLIDWORKS generates a concentric constraint preview automatically. Confirm the command and the two centers will be aligned. Here you see the bearing is not completely constrained. Click the flat face of the bearing and the circular edge of the wheel. On the options bar, leave the coincident option activated and confirm. So now the bearing is completely constrained. Save the wheel and bearing assembly. Open a new assembly file to insert the deck part. Click Insert to insert the truck part. Place the truck part in the graphic area and click the mouse. Click the lower face of the truck and the lower face of the deck. Leave the coincident option activated and confirm. See how the truck is not completely constrained. Click the face on the truck hole and the face on the deck hole. Leave the concentric option activated and confirm. Repeat the same procedure for the other holes. So now the truck is completely constrained. Great! Now the truck is assembled. And now let's insert the wheel and bearing assembly. Click Insert to insert the wheel sub-assembly. and place it in the graphic area. Select the inside cylindrical face of the bearing and the cylindrical face of the truck. Leave the concentric option activated and confirm. Click the flat face of the wheel. And the flat face of the truck. Then on the options bar, click Distance and change the value to 5 millimeters. Confirm the command. Great, the wheel is assembled. Now let's mirror the components. Create a reference plane in the middle of the assembly. Select Insert and Mirror Components. Select the reference plane. Click the wheel and truck sub-assemblies. Click Next to continue. Now you will see several options. For example, on the Orient Components flyout, change the position of the component copy. Select the copied part in the Property Manager to do this, and change the orientation. Click Truck. The selected part is displayed purple in the graphic area. Select a new orientation. Click the arrows in the Reorient option. There are 4 types of orientation. Leave the second option selected and confirm the command. This is another new SOLIDWORKS 2010 resource. Very well, you have assembled the skateboard correctly. In the next classes, we'll insert the screws using the Toolbox library.